If you figured the firearm scene was already crazy, buckle up because 2025 is blowing the doors off all our expectations. This month has been absolutely legendary. Not merely a few flashy additions, but a massive wave of 10 completely new guns arriving on the market simultaneously. The excitement among enthusiasts, collectors, and major companies is off the charts. Retailers are struggling to stock these firearms for even a single day, and rumors about possible new rules are starting to circulate. The technology loaded into these fresh releases? It feels like the whole sector leaped forward 10 years in a single night. Certain pistols here are putting pressure on the established giants, stretching boundaries to the point of rattling executive meetings. The rest are redefining standards for everyday concealed carry, professional duty weapons, or high-level competition shooters. So, let's jump right into this wave of breakthroughs and break down the 10 most incredible firearms that recently launched. We're starting the countdown with the one that's sparking all the conversations. Landing at number 10 is the Canik Meat MC9LS. And believe me, this handgun clearly signals Canik's future direction. The team from Turkey has been gaining serious traction over the years, and now, with their brand new facility in West Palm Beach, Florida, they're stepping up from the value segment. They're aiming straight at the industry leaders. I brought the MC9LS out to the range, and immediately, it's obvious this goes beyond a basic model with fresh cosmetics. The construction is incredibly sturdy, the precision machining stands out, and the improvements are thoughtful. That 3.64-inch barrel delivers extra speed compared to typical micro-compacts while maintaining the narrow, concealable design that turned the original MC9 into a favorite for daily carry. The true standout feature? 17+1 capacity in such a compact frame. That's massive, placing it far ahead of competitors in its category. The trigger pulls cleanly, breaking around 4 to 5 pounds with a quick reset that matches higher-end options. Add improved slide serrations for better handling, controls that work on both sides, and American-made quality, and you've got a micro-compact delivering a strong message. Of course, there are drawbacks. Holsters remain scarce at the moment. The grip texture could feel overly rough to certain users, and at $499 or $655, including the Canik M01 Red, it's higher than Canik's standard pricing. Yet, at those numbers, it's an outstanding value considering the performance. Taking the number 9 spot is the Stoeger STR 9 Combat, and this model proves Beretta's affordable line is finished playing second fiddle. This striker-fired 9mm represents the pinnacle of the STR 9 series so far, and as soon as you handle it, you sense it's designed for demanding use. The 4.69-inch threaded barrel serves a real purpose. It's ready for suppressors right from the factory, which matters a lot to tactical users and police professionals. Dependability defines Stoeger's Combat series, and this version seems as durable as handguns with much steeper prices. The grip features intense texturing for an unbreakable lock, even under stress, and the smoked bronze Cerakote coating adds a sharp, upscale look. It's not without flaws. However, the extended barrel complicates concealment. Accessory options remain limited, and at $599 to $649, it's above Stoeger's entry-level offerings. Even so, as an everyday duty handgun combining tough construction with contemporary upgrades, it's a powerhouse for those seeking something beyond casual range fun. Dropping into the number 8 spot is the Savage Stance, and this handgun clearly demonstrates that Savage pays attention to customer feedback. They entered the concealed carry market some time ago with the initial Stance, and although it performed well, enthusiasts were vocal about areas for improvement. Rather than standing pat, Savage revisited the design and delivered this upgraded edition with real momentum. The trigger is outstanding these days, sharp and clean, pulling at roughly 5 to 6 pounds without any creep, and the reset is audible and tactile, building trust with every press. The frame is narrower now, simplifying concealment while preserving handling stability, and interchangeable backstraps allow perfect customization. Adding a red dot? Straightforward, courtesy of an optics-ready slide using the RMSC footprint that enables direct mounting without extra work. I tested this myself, and the ambidextrous slide release functions perfectly on both sides. Looking for added security? An optional manual safety is available that won't interfere with your draw stroke. Drawbacks include capacity limited to 7+1 or 10+1, falling short of certain competitors, and aftermarket parts are still emerging. Priced from $479 to $549, it's risen slightly, yet the stance proves Savage means business, offering premium-level features tailored for everyday carry enthusiasts. Taking number 7 is a partnership that highlights how collaboration can elevate pistol engineering. The Walther PDP Pro SD. Walther's PDP series has long been beloved for its precise German engineering and intuitive handling, but this variant takes it further. The highlight is the built-in compensator, integrated directly into the 4.6-inch threaded barrel and slide rather than added afterward. It reduces recoil around 25 to 30%, and believe me, during rapid fire, the muzzle remains steady, enabling quicker and more accurate follow-ups. The compact version holds 18+1 rounds. The full size offers 20+1, and there are even 10+1 variants for restrictive regions. Grip texturing hits the mark exactly, secure enough to maintain control without abrading clothing during carry. Of course, advanced design like this has downsides. Priced at $799 to $899, it's an indulgence. Holsters are scarce initially, and compensator maintenance requires more effort. Still, for a handgun merging German precision with tactical edge, this stands as one of the most effective factory compensated options available. At number 6 is the Shadow Systems CR920, a micro-compact crafted in Texas that enhances Glock's proven platform significantly. Shadow Systems excels at refining reliable designs into high-end offerings, and the CR920 responds directly to the demand for better concealed carry. Handle it, and the thoughtfulness shines through. The slide features strategic cuts for reduced weight without compromising durability. The 3.41-inch match-grade barrel with improved rifling provides surprising precision in such a compact size, and a flat-face trigger delivers a crisp break around 4.5 to 5 pounds. I achieved consistent 2-inch groups at 25 yards, impressive for a pistol designed to disappear on your body. Grip texture ensures solid retention under recoil without discomfort, and the mag release positioning supports fast swaps without altering hand position. Optics ready as well, simplifying red dot installation. Downsides: pricing from $699 to $799, reaching $1,000 for top-tier variants, makes it premium, and 10+1 or 13+1 capacity lags behind some options. Nonetheless, with construction rivaling bespoke work, the CR920 excel for those seeking competition-level accuracy in a subcompact form. Moving to number 5 is the EAA Gerson Witness 2311, a handgun disrupting the high-capacity 1911 category unexpectedly. Historically, achieving a reliable double-stack 2011 with superior fit demanded hefty investment in premium U.S. makers that strained budgets. Then Turkish-based Gerson partners with EAA to produce a performer exceeding its cost dramatically. Honestly, I was skeptical initially, but after firing it, this is the real deal. The frame options include polymer or aluminum combined with a steel slide, resulting in robust feel and precise tolerances. The trigger is exceptional, snapping clean at 3.5 to 4 pounds with rapid reset to stay on target. It carries 17+1 rounds of 9mm, blending traditional 1911 elements like grip and thumb safeties with contemporary capacity, easing the transition for classic fans. The 4.25-inch match-grade barrel handles hot loads flawlessly. It's not ideal everywhere. Weight at 25 to 28 ounces limits daily carry appeal, and accessories are developing slowly. Additionally, traditional 1911 enthusiasts may question the origin. Yet priced from $999 to $1,100, The Witness 2311 prompts many to reconsider affordable high-capacity 2011 potential. Dropping to the number 4 position is Kimber's most ambitious move in quite some time, the Enhanced Custom 1911. And trust me, this handgun announces loud and clear that they're fully committed. Kimber has long been the benchmark for meticulous workmanship and stunning aesthetics. And as the 1911 design remains incredibly popular, they've stepped up big. This firearm serves as an ode to dedicated 1911 enthusiasts, engineered to compete with the elite options available. The fit and finish are impeccable, featuring an aluminum frame paired with a stainless steel slide for ideal weight distribution. The trigger stands out as true competition quality, snapping crisp at 3 to 4 pounds with an ultra-quick reset that anticipates your intent. On the range, it consistently delivers 1 to 1.5 MOA groups at 25 yards using quality ammunition, remarkable for a production model aimed at serious competition. Capacity remains true to traditional single-stack 1911 standards, 8+1 or 10+1, lacking the volume of newer 2011 variants. Yet ambidextrous features and precisely adjusted safeties highlight Kimber's hallmark precision that loyal users appreciate. Sure, compromises exist, ranging from $1,500 to $2,500. It's a major commitment. Upkeep demands additional care, and it's heavier than ideal for constant carry. Holster availability could stay limited initially as well. Regardless, Kimber demonstrates mastery in producing elite 1911s, and the Enhanced Custom stands out as a potential flagship. Securing the number 3 ranking is Springfield Armory reclaiming attention with the Hellcat Pro Comp OSP, a micro-compact elevating their impressive Hellcat Pro to outperform its class significantly. The brilliance lies in its straightforward approach. Integrate a compensator into a concealable pistol without adding bulk, resulting in recoil management rivaling larger firearms. The compensator integrates seamlessly into the 3.7-inch barrel and slide, channeling gases upward to stabilize the muzzle. I compared this directly against a regular Hellcat Pro, and the improvement stood out dramatically. Subsequent shots arrived faster, the optics stayed steady, and it handled like a substantially larger handgun. Flush-fit magazine still provides 15+1 rounds, excellent for a slender design, and optics readiness uses the RMSC footprint without requiring adapters. The trigger performs reliably, steady, foreseeable, and suited for protection duties. The highlight? Compatibility with most existing Hellcat holsters simplifies transitions for current owners. Admittedly, imperfections remain. Compensator maintenance needs more work. Certain loads produce extra flash, and priced at $649 to $699, it exceeds the standard version. Yet for advancing boundaries, Springfield reinforces its dominance in the everyday carry category. Grabbing the number 2 slot is a surprising entry from Heckler & Koch. The VP9SK, a subcompact 9mm, proving HK responds to demands from U.S. enthusiasts. HK has dominated with rugged, durable firearms for decades, though their handguns sometimes seemed inaccessible to American civilians due to restrictions. The VP9SK may not be entirely novel, yet this updated version acts as HK's tailored response for practical carry needs. Crafted with HK's renowned accuracy, it features a 3.39-inch barrel and robust, straightforward construction, clean lines, precise fit, and built to endure abuse. HK's rigorous validation distinguishes it. Though specifics vary, their testing exceeds typical civilian requirements, aligning with military levels. Features include an adjustable grip for personalized sizing, optics-ready slide for simple red dot addition, and a dependable trigger pulling smoothly at roughly 5 to 5.5 pounds. Capacity offers 10+1 or 13+1 rounds, not topping the field, and the grip surface might irritate during skin contact carry. This assembly proves slightly tricky versus rivals too. Priced between $749 and $899. It's premium, but the VP9SK's unbreakable construction and HK reputation position it among the toughest subcompacts for reliable carry. And claiming the top spot is the Sig Sauer P211 GTO, a handgun that goes beyond stretching boundaries. It completely shatters them. This goes far past the standard 2011. It offers a preview of competition shooting's next era. SIG caught everyone's attention by entering the 2011 arena, but this release surprised us all. A firearm equipped with a 3D, printed mock 3D compensator that's changing the game entirely. Through additive manufacturing, SIG developed unique gas ports and structures impossible with traditional methods, reducing recoil around 30% while maintaining unbreakable dependability. Combine that with a 4.4-inch bull barrel, crowned and precision rifled for matches, and it produces 1 to 1.5 MOA groups at 25 yards. Remarkable for any factory pistol. The trigger stands out dramatically, snapping crisp at 2.5 to 3 pounds with an ultra-short reset that anticipates your follow-up. Add G10 grips, controls for both hands, and reliable P320 magazines delivering 17+1 or 21+1 rounds, and this model dominates rather than merely competes. Revolutionary designs like this have downsides. Priced from $2,500 to $3,500, it targets dedicated competitors and collectors over casual shooters. Maintenance requires extra attention. The innovative 3D printed components await long-term proof, and holsters remain scarce currently. Even so, the P211 GTO marks a pivotal launch that forces seasoned shooters to reconsider pistol capabilities. 2025 continues to shape up as a revolutionary period in the firearms industry. So many companies challenge conventions, debut cutting-edge tech, and elevate overall standards, making this one of the most thrilling times for enthusiasts in history. Whether focused on everyday concealment or high-stakes competition setups, these introductions highlight rapid changes in the field and promise even greater advancements ahead. If this rundown kept you hooked and you're eager for upcoming coverage, smash that like button, subscribe to stay updated, and enable notifications to catch every detailed look at the firearms defining tomorrow. Your engagement fuels channel expansion, and I'm excited to deliver more thorough tests and market updates soon. Keep safe, practice regularly, and catch you in the next video.